of the mud. Still in there, but you might. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Hold on. I got Sarah Castle. It's so hard to do, but keep going. I cannot do this. Okay, here we go.
AK, switch.
Alright. Action! Oh.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for watching. Well, we're gonna get in a lot of trouble for this. So thanks for watching. Look. Yeah.
It's a mud castle.
Yeah, loads of trouble.
And look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my god.
See ya.
This is a continued version of the previous episode. My friend and me tipping this basket over, and I'm going to boot it.
Fail.